Hey guys, what's going on? It's HotDiecast Garage, and today we're gonna open up some of the Fast and Furious toy cars. They're not Hot Wheels cars, but they look really good, and I fell in love with them. The red Corvette is the one that caught my eye. It's the 1966 Chevy Corvette from the Fate of the Furious. Another incredible car from the Fate of the Furious, we have the Ice Charger. From Fast and Furious 6, this is the 1970 Ford Escort RS 1600 Mark I. Up next is the Ford GT40 from Fast 5. This is the 1956 Ford Victoria from the Fate of the Furious. And our last Fast and Furious car is the Maserati GHIBLI from Furious 7. There we have 6 very cool cars from Mattel's Fast and Furious toy brand. If you guys would like to see more of these cars on the channel, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching.